Miss Peabody, get Henderson in here.
Yes, Mr. Johnson.
The boss comes walking through, slips on a banana peel I'd eaten earlier.
Miss Peabody, where is Henderson? I need to see him now.
I'm sorry, Mr. Johnson, but he doesn't answer his phone.
Find him.
Ooh.
Over and my pocket protector falls into the soup.
He's not here, Miss Peabody.
Oh, Mr. Henderson. Mr. Henderson. Mr. Henderson.
So, has the old man been looking for me?
Uh-huh.
Henderson!
What's up, boss?
You'll never miss an important call or message ever with a Pup paging system. A Pup pager keeps you in contact within a 35-mile range. It's a convenient and affordable way to stay in touch.
Mr. Henderson, I think you need a Pup pager.
Thanks.